Hi guys, in today's video I'll be making some green pozole. If you guys want to learn how to make green stop it. If you guys want to learn how to make green pozole, then just keep watching. Alright guys, let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe you're going to need 3 pounds of chicken with bone, 2 branch of cilantro, chicken consomme, a whole onion, 5 chile poblano, 2 lettuce, your choice of tostadas, 4 garlic cloves, some harmony, 8 tomatillos, some oregano. I already peeled and washed all my vegetables, the lettuce, cilantro, and the chicken. I also washed the chicken. So now we're just going to add the chicken into the pot. Now what I'm going to do is start cutting my vegetables into pieces, small pieces. Onion, your green chile poblano. Take off the stem. Also for the tomatillos, cut them. And our garlic cloves, we're just going to leave them in whole. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing for the cilantro. I'm just gonna cut it into pieces. I'm gonna chop them off like that. And also for the lettuce. Alright, now that I cut everything up, now we're ready to blend everything. So now what you're going to do is add like the pieces of your vegetables, a little bit of everything. Tomatillos, the chile, your garlic cloves. You're going to add some oregano. Some of your chicken consomme. I add about that much of chicken consomme. I'm gonna add it into the blender. Add some water. Alright guys, and now you're going to blend it. Alright guys, now that this is blended, you're gonna come to your where your chicken is at. You're gonna cuajar everything you just blended. Come look, see? And you see it's still not full, so you're just going to keep repeating the steps until all your vegetables are done. So now we're just gonna repeat the steps again. I'm just gonna blend everything, a little bit of everything into the blender. And you can add one more of the chicken consomme. And just repeat the steps until your pot is full of caldo. You guys just start to see this getting full. You can use a spoon or your hands to get all the liquid out. And just remember not to throw this stuff, the chunk, into your caldo. You want it very just liquid. You don't want it to be thick. So you can just do this. I usually just use my hand, but I'm recording with the other, so. And then once this gets full, you can just throw it away. You don't need this in your caldo. guys, now that our olla is full with caldo, I'm gonna cover it up, turn it on medium heat, and let that boil for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to add our harmony in. Now we're going to open our harmony. If you have a can opener, it's easier to open. Okay, what I'm going to do next is dump the water from the can and wash my harmony. It depends how much pozole you're making or how much you like of harmony. I usually just like to use half of it, so just pour half of it in here, and I'm just going to wash it. This is what I do. Just grab and wash it. Once you finish washing it, you can dump it into your pozole. It's been boiling for like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna turn it down. I had it on high, so I'm gonna turn it down on low. And now you can add your harmony. Just going to let that simmer for another 40 to 50 minutes. Now for the other lettuce, I'm going to cut it. This is what I'm going to use to eat with my pozole. So this is how I cut it. I cut it in half. So now what I'm going to do is add it into a bowl. And I already washed my lettuce, but I'm still going to wash it again, and I'm going to add some water. That's what I'm going to... This is how it looks now after cutting. It's been cooking for about 40 minutes. I'm going to take the chicken out. This is what I did. As you can see, I removed all the bones and fat from the chicken. Now I can add this back into the now our pozole is ready, and this is what I like to top mine up with. Some lettuce, some chile de árbol, and some limon. So I love a lot of lettuce on mine. Going to add some lettuce, some chile, and some limon. Let's see if it has any juice in it. And I also like to add some avocado. I usually add about half of the avocado into my bowl.